Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'm sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY crochet braid French coils crochet hair using Xpression braid hair to achieve this gorgeous crochet so you can see what I'm doing. I did not fast forward this place because I want you guys to grab this part. It's very important. Do not drag the tip a lot. You can see the way I'm dragging it. I'm dragging the tip little so that it won't be kind of pain. So if you drag it a lot, the tip is going to be tiny, very tiny. The coils won't be bouncing. You understand that? So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to brush it out, detangle it. Then I will section the hair section by section. I didn't take a lot of quantity, so you can see the quantity I took. Then I'll use a band to hold it at the middle. Then I'm going to detangle it again. I'll brush it very well. After I'm done brushing, I'm going to be dipping this inside the hot water. Yes, hot water. Add a lot of conditioner. A lot of conditioner because we want this to be very soft and sleek. You understand? Do not allow the water to be very hot, that it will make it look like a rubber something. No, you're going to see what I'm trying to achieve. So after that, I'm going to dip the hair inside the hot water. I did 2 packs because I'm going to be doing this on my hair also. Watch out for the installation video. So this is what we are going to be working with. You can see that the tip is not kind of tiny like that. So after that, I'm going to use my Brazilian. I'm going to wrap it around my clothing rack. Then we'll start braiding. I'll allow you guys to watch. If I need to explain anything to you guys, I'm going to come back and explain. But before that, if you've not subscribed, can you please subscribe to this amazing channel, like, and please, if you are still watching and you don't like, please guys, can you please thumbs up this video, like. I really appreciate that a lot. So let me explain this part to you guys. Put the amount of hair. Do not braid a lot of hair because this hair is sleek. If you touch it when braiding it, the texture is different than the normal texture of braiding hair. Twist the roots, section the hair into 3, then start braiding. Braid to the length you are going to leave the down part so that we can coil that. Keep on watching, and please guys, make sure you subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys. Keep on watching this amazing tutorial. When you get to the tip, take a very tiny amount of it, Do not allow the hair to be too much, or else the knot won't stay. You can see how tiny. Take it, then knot it 3 times. Keep on watching, guys. So I decided to include this part, the pre-coil hair I did. If you've not watched the tutorial is on my channel. If it's this type you want, feel free to do that. So different option. So I want to braid this hair for you to see how this come out also, because I'm going to be crocheting them on my hair. Yes, I will install this on my hair for you guys to see. And if you want to braid direct, I'll do that also in one video. So keep on watching. Twist the roots, section the hair into 3, then start braiding. So these are the things we are going to be working with to coil the tip: mousse and hair roller or hair coiler. So put the mousse on your palm, apply it on the tip of the hair. Guys, when you want to roll, do not twist, or else it won't form the coils you want. The French coils tip, it won't form it. Flat roll, you can see the way I'm doing it. I flat roll. Then the main reason why you have to make use of mousse is to keep the flyaways. Take out the flyaways so that the hair will be at one side. No flyaways. Very, very important. Flat roll. After we are done flat rolling, put the tip inside hot water. Put it inside very, very well to circulate all the tip. Put it very well, guys. So when I wanted to unravel this hair, I noticed on my palm that it's kind of dry. So I had oil sheen to make it oily, then to add some shine. Can you see how this came out? This is what we are working with. This is what we want to achieve. This is what we are looking for. You understand? Can you see the tip bouncing? So now apply mousse on the one we've already pre-curled. Apply mousse to it. Then I'm showing you guys how you can put your crochet hair into the rope at once. So that is all, guys. Let's see the final look. Oh my god, this is the final look. This came out so good. At this side, the one I've already pre-coiled, how it looks like. The other side, the one I did pre-coil, I coil it after braiding. Anyone you want, any choice. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, subscribe, share with your loved one, and watch out for the second part. I'm going to be installing this on my hair. It's going to be the next video, guys. Watch out for that part. I really appreciate that so much. See you in my next video. As I always say, stay blessed always. Bye.